Are you looking to buy a house? Download our Ultimate Buyer Guide using the link in the description. I'll show you from start to finish what it looks like to purchase a home here in the Atlanta market so that you're comfortable and confident in the entire process. And if you would like to work with me as your realtor, feel free to book your discovery call today. Hey, if you love this property tour and would like a video just like this one, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we get more money and sell homes in a shorter amount of time than anyone else in the Atlanta market. And it all boils down to our videography and marketing plan. I would love to interview for the position and showcase your home just like this one. But now back to the video. you're watching this and thinking about new construction, make sure you have representation before you go to the model home. Once you register yourself, you usually can't add an agent later. So if you want someone to help you compare builders, incentives, and protect your interests, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My information is on the screen and in my bio.